Alright, welcome back y'all. Today we're going to be discussing my top 3 wardrobe pieces slash essentials. These pieces are all goated and look great individually. Starting off, we got this cropped hoodie that I'm wearing right now. This is just a regular old Gildan hoodie, but I made it better by cropping it myself. In my opinion, it's just a better alternative to spending 65 plus bucks on a hoodie from Instagram. This hoodie is responsible for my most comfortable fits. And it's the perfect thickness because it's not too thin to have to layer, and it's not too thick that you can't layer. Most of my favorite fits involve this hoodie, as you can see. I definitely would buy more expensive cropped hoodies. I'm just looking for a design I like that's special, because like I said, I can just buy more $15 ones and crop all of them. But a good hoodie is a staple in anyone's wardrobe, whether or not you're into fashion. These are all fits from my shorts that I upload daily, so make sure to check those out. My next favorite piece are these baggy jeans. The Bershka super baggy jeans are goated and amazing for the price. These will cost you about 50 bucks, which is similar in price to the H&M and Zara baggy jeans, but they fit better in my opinion. Super versatile in aesthetics and very comfortable as well. There's really nothing to hate with baggy jeans. While they are trendy, I don't think that they're going out of style anytime soon. Even if they were to, I'm boyfriend material, so I'd never switch up. Baggy jeans are super easy to style. They're perfect for simple outfits when you might not know what to wear, or even for super complex outfits. Being a really easy entry into fashion, baggy jeans are super accessible and affordable, most being 45 to 65 bucks. Anyways, last essential for me is a nice knit sweater. This one I got from Zara on sale, and it's really nice and cozy. Knitwear has started to grow in popularity as well, and they are also starting to be used in many different aesthetics, such as old money, streetwear, classy wear, and many more creative styles. This very simple outfit I put together is an example of the style I like to go for when I'm using a knit sweater. I prefer the dressy, classy aesthetic with knits, just because it makes me feel more sophisticated and suave or smooth. With the knit wrapping this video up, this is the end of my 3 favorite pieces slash essentials for my wardrobe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.